Good morning, Sabado! Good morning, guys. And wait, get carried away, the pita. Good morning, guys. And welcome to another vlog. Tara kay Hayak. Ano na ta? Let's go. Hey guys, this is CJ Shara and welcome back to my channel. So, asa day? Pick up, diba? Really? Okay, we are going to the beach together with the family, and it's Christmas Day. So, Merry Christmas. But I know late na ko doon siya ma-upload kaya mag-edit pa ko. Unya or ugma, siguro. So, late na ako doon siya ma-upload. Pero, Merry Christmas gapon, and I hope you enjoyed your Christmas dinner. But don't forget to hit like and subscribe and share, fish, and love. Hey guys, so we're here at Ocean View. I think it's still in Linamon municipality next to Iligan City. Going to south. I don't know, south or north. I'm gonna show you later, guys, how the beaches look here. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe and share, peace and love. Kapit na guys, kay dupa kayo. 11 o'clock na. Dupa yapon, so mga kapit na lang ito. Kumilit tayo sa huli. Catherine Bernardo! Lala, umiiwa sa paparazzi. Nan ako mga igagaw. Exactly for lunchtime. Mga alta? Nakaligo ng mga kids, mga feeling kids. Wala pa. Ligo ka daw? Yan. Makatuya ng dagat guys, kinintaob na. So let's go, mga ligo na ta. So manami og swim ganiya sa mga kids and kaonosad.
Tira gani. Oh, nice kina kay musunod. Musunod man pud sa Laban.
Wala na nabilin. Time to go home. Let's go. So finally, tana ko sa akong kwarto balik after a day of swimming and eating lechon paksiw. So that ends our vlog for today. Kaya mag-edit ko sa akong vlog for tonight. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe and share, peace and love. Bye-bye.